Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect with Eduroam. First, ensure you have your university or college login details ready, as these are essential for authentication. Next, confirm your device's operating system is current to avoid compatibility issues during the setup process. This guide will walk you through each step, making the connection straightforward and secure. We'll cover everything from initial setup to troubleshooting common problems, so you can get online quickly and reliably. To begin, open your device's Wi-Fi settings and look for Eduroam in the list of available networks. Once you find it, select it to initiate the connection process. Be ready to input your username, which is typically your full institutional email address, and your corresponding password. For certain operating systems, you might need to download a small configuration tool from your institution's IT support page to ensure a smooth setup. When prompted, enter your full institutional email address as your username. This format is crucial for successful authentication across the Eduroam network. Then, carefully type in your password. If your device displays a security certificate warning, always accept it. This certificate verifies the network's authenticity, ensuring a secure connection and protecting your data while you browse. You're almost connected. If you encounter any issues, first double-check your username and password for any typos. Often, a simple mistake in credentials is the culprit. If that doesn't work, try restarting your device completely and attempting the connection again. Sometimes, a fresh start resolves minor glitches. For persistent problems, contact your institution's IT help desk. They can provide specific guidance. And hey, if you're looking for great deals and more information on the Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below for links.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.